I'm Brittany with WTI, and who said weights should always be hard?
These Logest soft hand weights have been so needed in our family. And because they are soft, you're not going to worry about it hurting you if you do drop them. They're so easy to grab and get a handle on. It has straps that you can adjust, and you're able to slide your hand in and get a good grip. These are mainly really good for physical therapy. My husband has had lots of different injuries with his elbows and his shoulders, and having different increments of smaller weights are really important for all of his different exercises that he's learned to strengthen his elbow, his shoulders, and to keep those little muscles strong so that you can take on a lot more. They range from 4 to 1 pounds and are perfect for both me and my husband, whether we're doing physical therapy or we're wanting to increase the intensity of our jogs.
And that's my point of view.